Hi everybody, Beanmeister22 here, and as promised, here is a quick room tour of the room we had when we were in Bora Bora. Yes, this is filmed with a GoPro camera. The room, it's kind of cool looking, and in the coffee table where it's glass, you can see down the water. That's real neat too. Each of these little bungalows, they have a deck out back, a platform, and then there's a ladder down to a swim platform. Very cool, and did a lot of snorkeling and swimming down there in the water around these bungalows. And yes, these are those really cool looking thatched hut looking wooden bungalow things on stilts above the water. Yeah, it's all for show. It's not a bad room. It was pretty cool. And maybe when I have some time, we'll make a longer video about this whole trip. There's some more diving and underwater videos we need to make, and I should do an overall video of the trip. Now, you may have guessed that we are not staying at a Hilton. Yes, there's a Hilton in Bora Bora. At least I think, yeah, there is. But we are staying at the Intercontinental. And the reason for that is this trip was a gift from a client. Could hardly say, hey, I don't stay at anything but a Hilton. So we had to accept it, right? Now, you guys know I like to go to Hawaii and places like that. And if you've never been to Bora Bora, I don't know if it's worth going. Yes, it looks cool. Number one, everything is super expensive. This is not an all-inclusive trip. I'm sure I don't even know if they exist. All-inclusives, you see a lot of those in Mexico's and the cheaper countries where things are inexpensive. But in expensive places, even Hawaii, I don't know if they still have any of those all-inclusives anymore. And really, since I like to get out and do things, it wouldn't be worth it to pay the extra money for an all-inclusive. Because if it's all-inclusive, you're paying for the stuff one way or another. Whether it's out of pocket while you're there, or in the overall hotel bill.
Oh my gosh!
Beanmeister22, the most dangerous man on YouTube.